In the wild, there are fascinating creatures known for their bizarre sounds, and today we explore 5 of them. Next up we have the blue-footed booby, famous for its odd vocalizations during courtship rituals. Then there's the lyrebird, an exceptional mimic capable of reproducing a variety of sounds from its environment to attract mates. The duck-billed platypus follows, producing low growls and grunts that are quite unexpected for such an unusual animal. Finally, we meet the pygmy marmoset, whose tiny size belies the surprisingly loud and squeaky sounds it can produce. These 5 remarkable animals showcase the incredible range of sounds found in the animal kingdom, each contributing to the symphony of their environments. As we reflect on these creatures and their peculiar calls, we realize how each sound adds to the rich tapestry of life in our world.
For more videos, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.